chickies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very chill, very relaxed. Try to do a chit chat, get ready with me, and I'm about to head out in about less than an hour, so I'm gonna try to just kind of hurry this along. Let me know down below if you guys are the type when you get ready you need to like just be silent and focus on what you're doing, or else it will end up taking you much longer. In case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you guys would be a part of the Chicky crew. Also, don't forget I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Today's look is going to be a recreation of a look I did a couple of days ago. Many of you guys had asked about the eye look and had requested for me to film a video on it, so I'm gonna try to remember exactly what I did. I used this palette from Physicians Formula. It's the Sultry Nights Butter eyeshadow palette. Filmed a whole review and demo on it. I'm gonna link it right up here in the card area. Eyeshadow primer today is from the brand Luscious Cosmetic, or Luscious. It's the Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer. I have been using this non-stop ever since I received it in my Ipsy. Hold on. BoxyCharm. It gives the eyeshadow a nice base to work with, and it just blanks everything out. Take the Butter eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this matte cream color eyeshadow up here. And we're going to set this baby in place. I have to set it or else the shadows will not glide on smoothly. So it's a definite must. One of my favorites for 2018, which you guys will most likely see in my 2018 Obsessions video, that's gonna be coming up. These are the e.l.f. eyeshadow tape. These work so well. They actually come in like one whole strip, but I kind of just cut it down the middle. Something to note about this eyeshadow palette is that there is an ish ton of fallout. I'm gonna use this beat bib. Completely saves me from makeup on my shirts. Medium matte brown eyeshadow. And we are gonna rock this baby right into that socket area. Just like that. What are you guys up to this New Year's Eve? Are you guys gonna be in town? Are you guys gonna go out of town? Any of you guys going to Vegas? This tape really helps define my crease area. I don't know why. It just kind of gives me a good guideline. Ever since I discovered it, I end up using it all the time. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown, and I want to rock this socket area, deepen this up a bit. We are actually going to be at home for New Year's. I think we're just gonna order Wood Ranch, which is like a ribs place. Our son Darren is still here, but he goes back to North Carolina on the 2nd, which I'm so sad about. I feel like we just kind of picked up where we left off 6 months ago. Even though we do talk to him all the time, and we FaceTime him, but it was just so nice to have him back here. This is a Carity E30 brush, and I'm just gonna blend this out. I wanna blow this out. So nice to have him here at home, just to spend time with him. We were able to do tons of stuff. Although we didn't really go out that much. Sigma E25 blending brush, and we're gonna pick up this blue. This blue has a bit of a shimmer to it. It also has a ton of fallout. Just a little FYI, I mean, you guys can see like right when I dip into the pan, there's a whole bunch of kickback from it. So we're just gonna wiggle this right onto that outer corner area. Do any of you guys make vision boards for the new year where you set your goals, things you want to manifest? I made one last year. It's just insane, you know, how powerful that is once you actually see it on a board and you see it every day and you truly believe in those things you put on your board, how things can manifest in the most unexpected way. Clean up this brush that we used earlier. I'm gonna clean it up on my beat bib. Take a bit of this light medium brown, and I wanna rock this like right back into that crease area. I wanna bring a bit of that warmth back. Now for the empty space on the lid. It's like a beautiful gold shadow. Take our ring finger and then just tap this on the lid. I know it probably looks really crazy and it doesn't look very blended. It kind of looks like a hot mess, but roll with it right now. Take a bit of that blue and we're gonna fade that right into the gold, because we don't want there to be a harsh line. Have a very light hand when you do this. Go back in with this brown, adding just a tad bit of blue. Now I'm gonna go in with this matte black shadow, and let me see if I can swatch this. It's pigmented. We are just gonna concentrate this on the very, very corner of the eye. Darken this up a bit. You can see the time is kind of ticking. I love switching this out on the Beat Bib. Then I'm gonna go in with that blue, and I'm gonna fade that in just a little bit more, right into the gold. Dark brown on one side, and I want to rock this right into this little socket area. Take our clean blending brush and just blend this out. Take a bit of the brown again and then just work this right into this area. I'm going to take a little bit more of the black and just fade that in. Take a bit more of that gold and just tap it right onto the lid. We're going to stay away from this area. Just blend this a little bit. So I hope this is a good representation of the eye look I was wearing a couple of days ago in another video. Let's take off the tape and see. You guys can see how messy this eyeshadow is, so I highly recommend you guys do your eyes first and then your face makeup. I ran out of wipes, so we're gonna just use this tissue and makeup remover. I always forget that I need to allow a bunch of time for this because it takes me so long to apply my makeup, especially when I'm talking. If you guys can see this little area right here, there's a little tail. There's no shadow. So sometimes what I like to do is I'll take the tape, whatever's left on this brush, what I use for this little transition area, try to bring some of that color down. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does work. And it does, it works. Bring a bit of this matte cream color eyeshadow to this area because I think I applied just a tad bit too much. Clean blending brush, which I think is still clean, and we're just gonna blend this very gently. Curl the lashes. The Essence Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara. Now for the primer, we're gonna go with the Pop Beauty Zero Shine Primer. Forehead, the nose. Foundation. It's been one of my favorites. It's the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. This is in 037 Golden Beige. This has been my jam lately. I love... Ooh! You see that? This is exactly why the Beat Bib is so wonderful. Look at that, you guys. It just caught the foundation. I'm going to use a Real Techniques brush really quickly. It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed. Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer, and we're just gonna hit this right underneath the eyes to brighten up. I really love this color. It's a natural beige. It is full coverage, but it's not heavy. Like how this color suits me very well. And I'm using the Juno & Co sponge. The thing I like about this sponge is that it doesn't drag the product. It has all these little tiny microfibers, so it kind of brushes the product onto the skin. Some powder. This isn't from Laura Mercier. This is the Too Faced Perfect Peach. I kind of just put it in a small little container when my mom and I traveled to New York. Go back to the Physicians Formula palette. Flat shader brush. We're going to pick up the black, and we're just going to drag this as close as possible right to the lower lash line. I like to stop right in the center of the eyeball. I don't like to drag it all the way in. Makes my eyes look very small. Even forgot to tightline, so I'm going to tightline with the Esquito gel liner in black. Physicians Formula in the shade Deep Bronze. Just going to bronze up the face a little bit, and then we're going to contour. Pop Beauty Contour 101 palette, and we are going to chisel out the face using a Sculpt. My mom and I are going to go watch Second Act, which stars Jennifer Lopez. Brand number 7, it's the Translucent Perfect Light powder, and we're going to just sharpen up this area. This is the only place where I've been baking. I stopped baking underneath my eyes because I've noticed that it makes my under eye area look very dry. This is from my favorite brand, Mosquito. These are the style Lash Lorette, and this is the Lash Companion glue. Apply mascara to my bottom lashes before I forget. I'm gonna wipe off this Sigma E25 brush, go in with a bit of this brown, this dark brown, and I want to just rock this right into this crease area. This eye kind of folds over in the weirdest, strangest way, so I have to really define this crease or it gets lost. And I normally like to do that once I've already applied my eyeliner because it's a little bit easier for me to see it. For the blush, I've been using the Pixie Glow Gilded Bear Glow. Swirl the pink and this brown together. Swirl it right onto the cheeks. Highlight with the lightest part of this Pixie Glow palette. Let's kick this off a bit. I'm just gonna dust my lips with some of the powder just to kind of blanket out. From the brand Collab, this is my friend Lizzie. What will Lizzie do? This is her shade that she made, Peachy Keen. Physicians Formula Butter, Maru Maru Butter. I'm just gonna apply this right on top. In a crunch already, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the OGX Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum, and I just like to apply a bit of this just to my ends area. Quickly do the damn thing and straighten out my hair. So let me just show you really quickly my hair because this is how it normally looks. I like to go back with my liner and just cover up that band area. Because the weather is cold, I've been setting my face with a Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1. Let me put on the rest of my accessories, all that, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so here is the completed makeup look. I love the way how it turned out. I hope I was able to kind of recreate it from the other night. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me. This is exactly what I'm wearing because it's cold outside. We're watching a J-Lo movie. Kind of got that like J-Lo vibes going on. I hope you chickies enjoyed today's video. Get ready with me, chatty video, and hopefully it was interesting. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see more of these chatty kind of get ready with me videos, and next time I will definitely allow a bit more time. If you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you chickies enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video. Mwah.